love one another as I have loved you. Yeah, tama yan. But the Lord does not tell us like one another. Let's put it this way. May mga taong you don't like but you can still love them. There's a difference For example, me, I don't want loud and aggressive persons. So I'm not forced to like them, but the Lord tells me, love them anyway. Accept them, respect them. Ganun pong ibig sabihin. Please make that distinction. You can choose to like or not like people, but you will always love them. That's what the Lord is asking us.